Yes, you can see.
Yes,
Yeah. So nice to meet you, brother. Where are you from?
I'm from Madhya Pradesh. My name is Bhupendra Patel. I am from Madhya Pradesh, and currently I currently I am living in Mumbai.
Okay, okay. Now I'm going
Yes.
to introduce myself. I am Amit Padukle from Batul district of MP. But
Okay.
now I'm currently living in Bhopal because I am pursuing BTech from here from
Okay.
CIST college and with the AIML branch. And my hobbies are singing song and listening music, and like this conversation I make with other people to know the diversity, and you may know the, like proper behavior of that for people. So I like this type of conversation.
Okay. That's great. And yeah, and my hobbies are doing yoga and yeah, and listening now yeah, and reading, listening something new like English content.
Yes. So brother, may I know your occupation, what you are doing currently in Mumbai?
Yes, actually, bro, I am working. I have completed diploma in mechanical engineering. Then after I joined private industry, and now I'm working as a maintenance engineer in the packaging sector. I have been working since 2014,
Yeah, yeah.
and almost I have 10 years experience. Yeah, that's all about me.
Brother, I have a question that are you satisfied with your job that you are pursuing like currently?
Yes, in private sector, in private sector, I can say determination, responsibility, and courage is very important. So that I'm working and I'm consistently working. I'm taking my best on this company, and I improving and enlarge my communication skill. Thereafter, I will do anything.
Yes.
So now, that's why I'm learning and improving my English communication, because if I learn English language, we can communicate and we can report uh, whatever we have knowledge. So we can communicate with our management team and our uh, vendor, and we can communicate easily. So that's why I'm learning English language.
Yes.
Yeah.
Uh, do you have any questions?
Yes. Are you studying BTech? So, uh, which semester do you have? Do you study right
Uh,
now?
second semester.
Okay, second semester. Which university?
CIST, CIST Bhopal, that is affiliated with the RGPV University.
Okay, RGPV. Okay. What is full form of SGIT?
CIST, Corporate Institute of Technology and Science and Technology Bhopal.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay. So, what do you want to be?
Earlier, that I have a dream to join Indian Armed Forces, and I was also selected in Indian Air Force and Navy. But unfortunately, there I got remedical unfitness because I just consumed that time in medical remedical period that I consumed Resolve. You know,
Okay.
Resolve. So that's why my bilirubin level just hike. It's like its criteria, or you can say ratio, 0.1 to 1.2, but my bilirubin level is 2.5 that time. So that's why I just
Okay.
expelled by the Air Force.
Okay, so you will try again. Do you
Oh,
will
now
you try
I'm
again?
overage. No, no, overage
Okay,
now. I
okay,
can't apply.
okay, don't you will not get demotivated because if you will not selected if you did not selected that job, so don't demotivate and you will try your best because APJ Abdul Kalam was not selected in Air Force, but they were he was become president of India and missile man. So he, you take inspiration from APJ Abdul Kalam and you learn and yeah you actually your goal and will be is achieved.
Yeah.
Yes. So
And
what is
yeah.
yeah, okay? What is another goal? You have? What is another goal you have?
Another goal is I want to become an engineer, but I just side goal is I have that is the public speaker and public blogger that
Okay,
is in English. So that's why I make conversation with other people because it hike my confidence
okay,
or increase you can say.
okay. So uh, have you you have means do you have English medium student or Hindi medium student?
No, no. I'm I completed my studies first to 12th. Nee, that means first to fifth in English medium,
Okay,
and just fifth to 12th I completed Hindi medium with Hindi medium.
okay. So which types of content do you want to upload on YouTube?
Uh, I just nowadays like English speaking synonyms and antonyms and new phrases and like pronunciation and
Okay,
way of that I'm teaching on YouTube.
okay, okay, okay. So okay, when did you create your YouTube channel?
Just before 2 months.
Okay, before 2 months, you have started your journey.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, and
I
so
have a YouTube channel.
yes, I have recently. I consistently, you can say, 3 months ago, I upload some videos and some conversational videos and English content.
Yes.
Yeah, and uh, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have only my elder brother.
Okay,
Yeah. We are two like brothers only.
okay. So nowadays, are you living with your family or single? With,
I'm solo. Here I just uh, have a compartment and I'm
okay,
only.
okay. You live in PG, bachelor in bachelor with your friends.
You're not properly audible now.
I'm saying you are you living with friends or relatives?
No, 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 no. Only alone. I'm
Okay, 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 okay. So how do you do practice to improving English communication? Which techniques you follow?
so I do every day which the work like activities I do that I mumbles in English and just it was is the way of practicing in like English. So that's
Okay,
why I can able to enhance my English speaking.
okay, okay. So Do you have any topic like for discussion? Can I try?
Yeah, you can choose any topic.
Can I?
I will try on that
Yeah. Can
topic.
I discuss on topic like private school and government school?
Yes,
Private
of
school
course.
versus government school. Yes.
Yes.
So first you can discuss.
Yeah. So I'm just choose like private school. So it
Okay.
is special for students uh, because the faculty, like teachers, there are, so that like teach us very well, and the like consistent, they are consistent, and they want to develop the students mentality,
Okay.
and like communication skills. And
Okay.
because that the private schools are like mostly in English medium, so this is the like most like thing in English medium. But
Okay.
if I talk about the government school, so that government school, like the teachers is not like dedicated to this like taking classes about the students. So it is the like short backs or shortcomings of the government school, and they not teach the student properly, and they they doesn't like teach the communication skills and English, that how we can behave to other. So this is, but if I talk about the like money, so in government school there are like low fees, or like very cheaper uh, as compared
Okay.
to the private school.
Okay.
So yeah.
Yeah. Uh, as I told you, in government school, you you as you told you, teachers are not teach properly. Teachers are not teach properly their student. But so, most of the teacher you can say not teach properly. They cannot take in responsibility, dedication, because they have enough knowledge, because they have selected through the PET exam and SSC through and many types of exam but selected, but they cannot take in responsibility to teach students, and they cannot they cannot guide student to how to teach, how to read, how to uh, enhance means how to communicate with each together student. So uh, this is the problem, and but they have you can say government has paid lot of money, lot of salary provided to government teacher. As compared to government government teacher and private teacher. Uh, Private teacher is better for government teacher, because they teach little amount of they earn a little amount, but they do hard work, and they teach a lot of means they have taken responsibility, they have taken uh, careness, careness and dedication, support, guidance. So in private school student uh, gain a lot of things, like in primary school, and they learn many activities, physical play and sports activities, and many creativity they have learned from private teacher. But government teacher, they cannot provide primary activities like sports activities, new creativity, singing, and many likes of primary fundamentals of activities. And also government has not taken initiative to government buildings, government school buildings, no, did not have good facility in government schools. But it's compared to private school, a lot of facilities provided by private you can say private owners. Yeah.
Yeah, and some of the thing that I'm thinking right now, like in government school, we paid less amount of money, so that's
Yeah.
why like the students have the tendency to like we don't pay them, so why we dedication like dedicated to our studies. And in private school there the students know very well that our parents are like paying their much amount or a huge amount, so that's why they
Yes.
like consistent and dedicated to their studies and like learn much of the things from there.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And in our India, you can say most of the family middle class family, they cannot allow to they cannot take admission on government school, because they have money, they have belong to middle class, they have enough amount to they can pay in private school. But if you talk about poor below poverty line, we- weaker section,
Yes.
they cannot survive, they cannot pay enough amount, so that they take admission on government school, because they have another they did not have another option, how they can provide their student their how they can provide uh, education for their student, for their childs, because they have on only 300 200 rupees per day. So and education system is very bad nowadays in our India. In government school, government paid enough money in education sector, but outcome. Hello.
Yes, yes, now okay, now okay.